Once upon a time, there was a Harvard University student named Alex. Alex was a brilliant student with a passion for physics and a love for music. He spent most of his time studying in the library, but he also enjoyed playing his guitar and singing in his spare time. One day, Alex was in the library studying when he noticed a girl sitting across from him. She had long brown hair and beautiful blue eyes, and he couldn't help but be drawn to her. He didn't know her name, but he felt an instant connection to her. Over the next few days, Alex saw the girl in the library again and again. They never spoke, but Alex would steal glances at her whenever he could. Finally, one day, he mustered up the courage to introduce himself. "Hi, I'm Alex," he said, extending his hand. The girl smiled and took his hand. "I'm Emily," she said. They chatted for a few minutes, and Alex felt his heart racing. He couldn't believe how easy it was to talk to her, and he knew he wanted to get to know her better.
Over the next few weeks, Alex and Emily became friends. They would study together in the library and go to concerts and shows together on the weekends. Alex loved spending time with Emily, and he couldn't help but feel a growing attraction to her. One day, he finally mustered up the courage to tell her how he felt. "Emily, I know we've only been friends for a short time, but I feel like there's something more between us. I really like you." Emily smiled and took his hand. "Alex, I feel the same way. I've been waiting for you to say something." From that moment on, Alex and Emily were inseparable. They spent every moment they could together, exploring the city and making new memories. They fell deeply in love, and they knew they had found something special. Years later, as they stood together on the Harvard campus, Alex proposed to Emily, and she said yes. They were married in a beautiful ceremony surrounded by their friends and family, and they knew that they had found their happily ever after at Harvard. After they got married, Alex and Emily graduated from Harvard with honors and pursued their dreams. Alex became a renowned physicist, and Emily became a successful entrepreneur. Throughout their careers, they remained each other's biggest supporters. They celebrated each other's successes and lifted each other up through the tough times. Despite their busy schedules, Alex and Emily always made time for each other. They continued to go on adventures together, trying new things and exploring the world around them. As the years passed, Alex and Emily's love only grew stronger. They built a beautiful life together filled with love, laughter, and endless possibilities. They knew that they had found their soulmate in each other, and they were grateful for every moment they shared together. In their old age, Alex and Emily returned to Harvard to attend a reunion. As they walked around the campus, hand in hand, they reminisced about the memories they had made there. They couldn't help but feel grateful for the experiences they had shared and the love they had found. As they stood together, looking out at the beautiful campus, Alex turned to Emily and said, "Harvard brought us together, but it was our love that kept us together. I couldn't have imagined a better life without you by my side." Emily smiled and kissed Alex on the cheek. "I feel the same way, my love," she said. "We've been through so much together, and I wouldn't have wanted to share this journey with anyone else." Alex and Emily's love story will always be remembered as a beautiful reminder that love can be found in the most unexpected places. Their love was built on a foundation of friendship, respect, and unwavering devotion. And through it all, they knew that they had found something truly special that would last a lifetime.